I'm going to show you how to create a brand new Shopify dropshipping store from scratch. I'm not going to waste any more of your time. We're just going to hop straight into the video. So the first thing what you're going to need for your Shopify dropshipping store is apps. I feel like apps are the most crucial part of your Shopify dropshipping store, then the theme, so on and so on. I'm looking to turn this into a series. So this first part of this video introduction, I'm going to be showing you the apps of which I recommend you install for your Shopify store. Whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or expert, I truly believe these apps are life-changing and game-changing when it comes to dropshipping with Shopify. Now, the first app that I believe that you should install is Topdser. Believe I'm saying that right. And for those of you who are unfamiliar with Topdser it is an alternative to Oberlo. Now, I've been using Oberlo for the last 4 or 5 years in my Shopify dropshipping journey. I don't have nothing negative to say against Oberlo. However, just like any other product or service, there are a few benefit and features that I disagree with. And I was actually able to come across Topdser and the same incentives of which I couldn't find in Oberlo, I found in Topdser, and I've been actually testing this out for 2 of my other dropshipping stores using Shopify, and I like the results. So the first one that I have for you to install is Topdser, and obviously it's free to install. Now with Topdser, similar to Oberlo, you're able to source any product. So those of you who are still using AliExpress, no worries. You're still able to import from AliExpress. They have automated bulk ordering, which I like. This is part of why I switched from Oberlo to Topdser, because as you can see, you can place up to 300 orders at one time using the same debit or credit card and just pay it off right then and there. Don't have to worry about it. Versus Oberlo, you have to go one by one and then process and then go back one by one. And also, you're able to see the trends. So if we was to go on AliExpress, I'll cover that in another video, but when we go on AliExpress, we can look at the product research, see how many sales, see how well it's been doing, see how many monthly sales, weekly sales, so on and so on. So we're going to come up here, going to click on Add App. Follow along with me, definitely. Don't just sit here and watch this and, internalize this. I actually want you to take actionable steps to creating your Shopify store. I'm just going to reload my store. Appreciate your patience. Appreciate your time. All right. So now that has loaded up, very simple, very easy. Now, once this has, so now I'm on the dashboard. All right. So now I'm on the dashboard of Topdser, and as you can see, they have a nice checklist for you to go step by step along with them. My next step obviously would be to link my AliExpress account, but I'm not going to do that for the purpose of this video because I actually have it connected to my main AliExpress account. I got to make a new one for the shop. Bit my tongue. Got to make a new one for the Shopify store for this potential store of which I'm making, so I'm not going to do that. But I would like to come down here to the Chrome extension because obviously you're going to need Google Chrome so that you can import from AliExpress. So we'll come down to the Chrome extension. We're going to click on Install Now. This should take us to the Google Chrome store. And to my knowledge, that this should be free. I don't believe that they're going to charge for this. If they didn't charge for me to install the app on my Shopify store, I highly doubt that they're going to charge me for the Google Chrome extension. And it looks to be free. They got a 5-star reviews, 2,000 plus users. So we're going to click Add to Chrome, Add Extension. And as simple as that. Just waiting for the confirmation on my computer that it's been installed. It's downloading, as you can see on my screen. And boom, there you go. So moving along, now that we have that installed, I will show you in a follow-up video of how we're actually going to go about importing these products to our store. So now that we have our first app Topdser, we're going to move along to the other apps of which we're going to install on our Shopify store, which I feel are very crucial for you. Regardless of where you are in your Shopify journey, I feel like all these apps play a role in you being successful. So wait for my computer to load up, and then I will show you the next few apps of which we're going to install on this Shopify store. Definitely leave a like if you're enjoying the content so far. I appreciate it because I'm editing all these videos by myself. So, the likes and the comments, they go a long way. And they make me feel like the effort I'm putting into these videos are well worth, you know, the benefit of what I'm doing. Especially, seeing you guys be successful. That makes me the most happiest. But seeing you guys' comments, I read them all. I might not respond to all of them, but I do read them all. And I like helping people, which is why I made this YouTube channel. And also to document my journey. But I also, like I was saying, I like to help people. So now we're going to the Shopify app store. And the next app, which I have for all of you to install, is, hold on. So the next app I have is Loox Reviews. Spelled reviews wrong. Got my hair in my face. All right. So, like I was saying, the next app which I have for you is Loox Reviews. And once this loads up, you're going to see a bunch of different reviews. Now, like I said, I've been doing Shopify dropshipping for the last 5 years, and there's a bunch of different review apps to install, like Ali Review and so on and so on. But my personal favorite, the one has been the most successful, and also not only enable me to install 4-star, 5-star plus reviews on my Shopify store, but it also in return has helped me make a lot of money, is the Loox Photo Reviews app. And it also comes with a free 14-day trial. So we're going to go ahead and install this. If you click on the link below in the description, I actually have a affiliate link to Loox Reviews where they, instead of getting 14 free days, you'll actually get 30 free days to use the Loox Photo Reviews. And depending on how you go about marketing your Shopify store, you should see a good return on investment. Trust and believe me that this app will pay for itself. To see proof of that, definitely check out my e-commerce playlist at the end of this video and look for my review on the Loox app so that you can see for yourself how much money this app made me in the last month. What month is this? This month is August. Yeah, so you'll see how much money this app made me in July. So yeah, anyway, moving along. So we're going to come here. We're going to click on add. All right. So now that this is finished installing, I'm going to scroll down here. I'll click on install app. Again, this is just going to take us to the dashboard and your bot list. Valuing your time, so I'm going to click on Add App. And we'll go from there once this is finished installing. And I'm going to, I believe we're about 10 minutes in. I want to install 2 process. Click on Enter. It's going to come down here. Like I said,